what are you going to cook for me today?
I am going to make it. It's a nice rainy day here in Houston. So we're going to cook inside, obviously, since we're indoors. I'm going to make you salmon. You said that you never had salmon you liked, and I think I'm going to be able to make you salmon you like.
That's good, because no, I have not ever had any salmon that I like.
So,
and if I don't like it, I can make fun of you.
Yes,
so.
yes, you can. But as backup, I got some crab legs too, so he's going to have something he likes. So
that's that's even better, yeah. So
anyway, that's what we're doing. So I'm about to get started.
All right,
get jiggy with it.
Let's go. Oh shit.
Right here, we're gonna start off with seasoning our fish. I'm just gonna use some Slap Your Mama. It's just a Cajun seasoning.
So you sometimes use Tony Sacharide.
I try not to.
Oh really?
It has more salt in it.
So
I'm using just that garlic herb butter that HEB sells are pre-mixed.
Okay, so what was that then?
Well, I heated it up and then I made it too hot so it melted. And then I put it in the freezer and I made it too hard again.
That's awesome.
That's me being me. That's what that is.
That is awesome.
So anyway, here's this other stuff. I'm just trying to save some of this for the crab legs.
Oh, I see.
Hence me saying, I bought 2 of these and I only have 1.
Right.
I was going to put this entire thing on here and then have a full one for crab legs. So I'm going to spread when it melts.
Well, yeah, but don't you want it to
put it more on it?
Be spread on there before you put the other stuff on it? I'm just asking.
Only other thing going on it right now will be lemon, and I'm going to put Parmesan on at the last 10 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
so it's like, yeah, okay.
So this most of this is the actual fish.
Well, I know the other one was real good. I can't remember. I must have been drunk. I can't remember.
That one was encrusted. I didn't.
Right. Oh, this is not going to be that. Mm-mm. Oh, okay. Nope. You're doing something different.
Mm-hmm. I bet it would be damn good encrusted too. Now that you think about it. Oh, that butter's so good. And if you can sit there and bowl of that.
So you lick your fingers.
I did lick my fingers.
So now it's going to be like put your whole mouth on the salmon.
I didn't put my fingers back on the salmon. I will now.
Yeah. Just because I said that.
Just talking shit. I'm gonna put a couple of lemon slices on here. Yeah. This is going to go in the oven for 20 minutes. I'm going to pull it out. I'm going to add the Parmesan and I'm going to add the parsley and we're good to go.
Alright, so you're headed to the oven?
Headed to the oven. Shrimp. Scallops. That looks pretty good.
Yes, it does.
Butter.
Big old pat of butter.
I'm your pal, Bruce. I'm going to keep you fat.
I know that's right.
Good thing is everything I'm making today is so fucking easy. Don't get too crazy with this. But I love those bacon wrapped Tabasco shrimp that Jeff used to make. The bald head Jeff when it passed away. I love those things. All right, let's get our crab going.
Yes, I do love those crab legs. Those are the snow crab legs, right?
These are the Dungeness crab.
Oh, that's Dungeness crab.
Yeah, so we got the little fatter pieces.
Wow, okay, I've never had that.
Yeah. So, we are today.
Cool.
Cooking the same way. The last one I did, I just wrapped it in foil, put it in there for a half hour. It's because it's still got a little cold.
Right.
It's going to just steam, and it's going to be delicious. Delicious!
Cool. I've never had the Dungeness, so this is good. I saw that they had them on sale.
Yeah, they're like $1 more than the other ones. The snow crab. And but to be honest, I don't think I ever had Dungeness crab either. But I know it's what Charlie loves from San Diego. That's what he would go get all the time. So.
Well, is that because he's in California?
Oh no, when he lived in California, I'm saying. But yeah, so he would go and they would catch them themselves, and
Well, that's what I mean. So,
so
they were off the coast of California.
Right, yeah, but he says it's still his favorite crab.
Okay. I wasn't for sure where they came from, so.
And I'm thinking it's that. I could be totally wrong and sound like a complete idiot right now, but that's life. Okay, so that's that. We got 2 of those, and going to put this in with the fish, and everything should be ready about the same time, half hour. So.
And that looks pretty good. It's sizzling. Man, smells good.
Close that oven real quick. Camera off.
All right, so this isn't quite done yet, right?
No, this still got about another 10 minutes. But what we're going to do is some grated. You don't want to use the shredded Parmesan because then you get like that net.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and it's like you like try to cut a piece and half the cheese comes off on that piece.
Right.
So if you use this, you don't have to worry about it.
So it's grated.
Yeah, it's just grated. So you're just getting the Parmesan flavor. Only cheese to ever go with fish. No other cheese should be near fish.
This is true, and that's like the texture of sand.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay.
Yep. I threw that big chunk of it. That's hot as shit.
I bet it is. Well, I gotta say, it smells pretty good. Of course, you know, a lot of that has to do with that butter. I mean, I could really smell that butter.
Oh, yeah. I was telling you. Wait till you get that on the crab legs. Alright, now I did not get fresh parsley. I'm using my packaged stuff. This is, I don't know if this is just more for presentation. It does add a little bit, but it's not a whole lot.
Yeah, I mean, I think it adds a little bit.
It does make it look pretty, though. Oh, got a big chunk right there.
But they probably tell you to use the fresh for, you know, that fresh,
right? That fresh herb taste
thing. You know, it's okay.
Which it makes sense. I totally understand it. I just didn't have it.
All right, so we're back in the oven.
In the oven for 10 minutes. We'll eyeball it. If it looks done, we'll pull it out. The good thing with fish is you can't really. It's easy to tell if you undercook it because you can just tell it's not ready. When you cut into it and it's flaky, that's when it's ready.
We have a beer tasting by Rich.
We do. We just shot this whole video without shooting this whole video.
Yeah.
We were just talking about what dorks we were, and it didn't even get on
That's
film
right.
because we're too dorky to turn on the camera.
It's like this little button you got to hit. Yeah, we didn't do that. Yeah. And by we, I mean me. So anyway, all right. So here's our beer. We're going with the Bud Light Platinum to pair with our fish. Just a good, wholesome American beer made by foreigners.
Well, they make it here in the States.
They do make it here in the States.
With foreigners. I say it's good. It's a little sweet.
It's on the sweet side.
Said it's 6% alcohol, so you wouldn't want to drink a ton of them at one setting, but I guess it's kind of like wine, which is pretty, you have one with dinner, not so bad.
Yeah. You have the whole bottle, next day bad.
Yes, yes. So yeah, I like it. I liked it before. I mean, I've had it before, and it's good. It's a little bit sweet.
Mm-hmm.
I wouldn't drink a whole 6-pack at one setting, but
I think that sweetness is going to go good with the fish, though.
I do too. So yes, thumbs up for me.
Thumbs up, hats up.
So, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Ho ho ho.
And I'm going to save the rest of this for the fish. And Bruce is Santa Claus.
Yes, I am.
You just learned, America. Bruce is Santa Claus.
Ho ho ho.
Alright, so I know it smells good.
This is what we're going to do. We're going to go to the meaty part. And it's flaky.
That's got some steam coming off of it.
That's what I'm right there. That's what I'm looking for. So let's get you as a fork because you need to try it.
Yeah.
Okay, that's pretty good.
All right.
That is really good.
The people, probably the other stuff you had, they probably dried it out too much.
I don't know what they did, but that is really good. All right.
So,
You want to give me a plate of that?
I am. We're going to portion up, and we're going to show you a whole plated with the crabs too. Right.
So look at that plate of food, ladies and gentlemen.
And salmon, I opened up the little foil packs we did with the corn and the shrimp and the scallops and the sausage. I melted the garlic butter, what I had left of it, so we can get the crab in there. You got the Judge's crab sitting right there. That's the feast.
It is.
All right.
Ah, there you go. Hi, America.
So I think you ought to give it a try.
So, actually, I was going to plate this one for you. I think you have a pretty one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, that works for me.
So, all right. But I already tried this, and I'm a big fan of this. So, America. It's been a total of 40 minutes total.
Yeah.
And look at that plate of food. So,
We will see
make
you.
this. Make this.
We will see you next time because I want to eat that food.
I'm bringing this to Bruce right now. Love you, America. Peace.
Yeah, tilt it down just a little bit more. Yes, that's more better.
More better.